Mercy from one side, Tana Cabenta for Banawa Fahama, oh, you are Jumamo, Yajumatin, and Chasamu, Comunuma, Sunamu, Cornia, Yakana Sanaitin, Yatamunina Massa Sabrabiamu, Meki, Ayasompa, Aya number 1, Achasamataruma, and Amia Baby, Ayatia, Cramoniano. Now, when him say, well, Brokobas and Ramachas Outdoor, and some boss, Ama resource to be unfair for Amwa, Wamusum no room, our Chasavicasamino, and then him some more to us, say, so a foul bar, Massa. Which big as a son, which I don't know. Now you're twassing and say, and then Bobo Cravans are remote regional Kuno. Now we remember some more Liga, much as I was a boss and a saying I came singing, and on some Nabasiaco, who quite a stadium municipal part of Montelivia, and a rough I found say, I have Francisco, you say, Hernandez, I cocked the gamer, and I'm my Juronia Omo, and some money was sooner and a bar. I have 5 and you may answer Gamino, and on some Nabet me about our brown Samino, yet Emma, yet for an pay, and some our shows and watching. My men found two of them other games I would do. I was saying, no, some boss in your Bobo Crefans are real Madromo away. Now I'm in the Las Palmas and Elbow, walk a statue. I get to Gran Canaria, and a match Abbas will run. You found some Matteo Busquets, and some other Crocodile gamer, and no some Nabacoso, and then you may ever brown something, yet Emma Meadow Casayaba room, and some our studios, not just a real Madrid, and Cromwell, woman some now Cacaponte, a room, and some our Gran Canaria, essence, and a match in a basso Omunia, our brother say, and open me who video, not just a Macra Syria at Atea, Nina Sam, Mudum broke Cobasa Frontier, your father some Pompey, and some other player Emma Madrid, I baby about Antonio Pintus Ebiano, now in Pompey, essence of run Abasa Point, and some Ayakema, Wabromoko, Ansem Pompey, and I just reference Antonio, Ayapintus, and some Adinachino, not just Amsa or Tata Bueno Toto, or my Bapeno, and some Manano Cabra, and to remember Timini Amano Casino, by now almost some Iron Porta, almost some Gran Canaria, Amasa Camino, and no answer to me a passo. Now, Jamaica can say, Wabromo Coco Porte, and another presidenta, your father self Florentino Peresino, now on some determined Achi, I just wanted Timino, as some Anacomabi tree, as an Kakran Kakrabokua, your father's a bonsa, Wama be a Jasara Maritimino, as some Closy Gabano, our brother Closy Gaba, not just some also you are Jumana Kama, our brother Jumanino, and some I send our Swamoshe, Sarema Bobo Corsan Quadruple Pointer, and none other 100 essence bonsa already, our 9 points are so far, and some out of 3 matches, woman some up archers and some update to Eba. Now, Jaminian Sam. Woman and me, I just squad archers and I am diamond shaft of Germany. Woman squad that this I am Manti, and as some program and your next man, Tomato Konya, your fancy international break, your boat weekend in Ria, your international break, and some other Sabimu Kwakapo, I am qualified Sabimo, Abonations League, Ghana Chesadiaka, Jaminians Antonio Rudica, woman so buy them and your call up. Now call up Pabana, just in Sankano, Jammin Sankano, I coacher, your phone sounds Julian Nick Gossman, or no, and a burning another cabo Missa or Pomatches Noto, and our Serbia International Breakway, or no Antonio Rudica, and some other rusty, and Untina Cobasa, woman name almost quadra, one of some Antimia Ram, and so I was Santimimo, and to also almost quad dinema, your Montana be and some of archers at Yaminiano, and say about the year Pasabia. I had yes, upcoming international break, one some Nabatimia Cobesansa, Rudicanum Nabasu, Stena Fay. One of some Ayania can say 20 and a sample. One of arrested our team Naswaya, and no update about 170 yet Emma yet for and some our show so. Now Jamaica can say, would you Bobo Fansa Aya Real Madrid? Yes, I'm Amutiria Basa Quatana, your father Brian Diasano. Now, I want Fasosa recently. Yes, your Majansanka. One must have a bed, El Quacotuna Cabia Quatano. I have father Brian Diasano Mafano, and Posan Cabia initial loan deal. Nan Cabia be option to buy be and some other bar. Nan can you be a quadra fan of Prime Diasano, woman some move and Namano Kasai, Walker Omo here and some other Madrida. Report to Mesakana Quadana Echo. Now answer a true rotational policy. Serbia manager Fanasa Ancelotino and some other Serbia will be arrested. No abuse start Prime Dias Ayobia. Bonum will be on him so in Paul was sending Gornation Taquadana Day. Woman some Amuntumin China Amanenko and some Amaninya our Braquadana. Your Fanasa Prime Diasano. Woman some Ayadonos Ebeste and non I one at Jasaba. Yet update telling some demo. Now Medicaria to almost quarter. Woman some other quarter to Gran Canaria. No, Ayadiasa president and Echo. What can son of a player? Your father said Dennis Bios a story and some Amasa Reabatis and some other Somofa. Dominion says Yana Woman's quarter, woman require a report to me, Yanasa Quadano, and some DNK. I just on Cash Quadron Omwa, woman some Quackable away game, and my Bobo Fanasa Real Madrid, Dennis Bios, and some Dennis Quadinamo, not Chesa Bibia, and some Ebet Miesi, Ebet Yabasabia Quadani Ebeste, Ebet Yabasabia Quadano, and some other core artisano, and some update Eba on something, yet Emma yet forward Brano, and some update Eba what can some of the canon of Pesa, Nanka, Omo Trason hijack, I yes, Stefan Bajcetic, and I Liverpool Quadana, 106, and some Ama Liverpool true baby, not manager Fanasa, Jogging Club, Emma Quadani Yabipo, Mecana say, Wabro Kobasa, Branch Fanasa, and no Chasa Cantera, about Liverpool, or Mutumpo, and no quality Sekita Quadana, Yafanasa Bajcetic, one power of FIFA passer, what can say be a more detailed number 6. I could not so a friend who but here. Now, so you man, I could only chess of Bono, one and in Pontinanca, Tiago Cantara, and some trias and Calcutta, and some other Baanye. Now, Jamina, our brothers, and apart from Soria, yet the man on a Panaso Trosa Codano, yes, a bass of funny place call. I'm a cocoa see on one Casano. So when you say you only live up with Timono, and some other canamum, one more place call Emma Quacodano, as so anointing on a papa, and to me come from it another person, by no. Woman, I just sounds big. I hear them. Jack and Yanasa and Kobenya. Nankabiana Banner, Johnny Bobakua. Your father said, I have Barcelona, Quadano, Quano, Quano, Bassa for Tricer. Woman, some other comments, and you're hearing Yanasa. What can I have line desk? Your cup up line desk or no? And maybe a terminal. Now on you coach now. Your father said, Jogging Club. And some Aya Juma Emma Bobakua. Your father said, Liverpool Tine. 1 year Quadanum Aya Juma Pain. Line desk and a coach Bobakua. Your father Salzburg, and it's not no casino. Once I to me, I can't Quadana, I could down also by 20 Timna, and up the table, Bonsa, making an operation. Say Timno, woman, bet me out to player, and just a one financial fair play, and some abua. Now, Kramen about first one financial fair play, no, Bassa for Abaya son, Yaminia, and another person, Chassa, and just a obico. Players some more bass and I say one more so much one day I just one tier woman you ready to say you more fight at your work club no and now no cast report to me can say Bassa Sika some still Andrew Love when I was at no answer to me true and put Dana Nan Kerim San Kebia boss and Nike every Nan Kebia bonsa woman refer to 1:1 Nan Kayaka San Kebia Bobo Kuno woman some number saying in Bio Peno Yantishi Bium Mesamba Castle Liga for say woman demand more document and also yentishe ever seen there until the American can you say bossa yes in probably our GDS say see an abekodia and free there and some uncle see nyamar motina bossa transfer no and some over and the today over woman to the basanya yes bossa ebet me out to player be at naba as a player be and when I just say one am perform jani kwan and me dia to them say on tombi am being koya won't me confirm so from am shemni no and some I Bassa Sika Samoa, and also some Aqua Bibio, and Unti, and I'm a Naya Casino. I'm a Sansaming house Albano, and some update Abba. Now report to me, sir, can say, yes, so Commodore, and Sunya, Bassanya Joshua Kimmich, and Namano Cassia, woman, other financial bedding. The same play American as some say, your father said Joshua Kimmich, and so I will Bamuncheno, or him say Meno Cassain. Jemi nyan say akora no so sell Liverpool for no woma fa kire kude o aso obi ante ho hwe omunum say yente a che Liverpool ya side wom so afa kire kude nkomu kwa kohwe sankanya bia ebia ba mu chintim no wom abetia se ma branche na ye fa say Joshua Kemeka na akọ anasem po boy ni ebe stay na adeba konso an say wonum say wabe ba cross na no company ebe ya wom sem abeto twase wono so no porfoti komosa still asem na Thomas Tuchel I can't remember your term. Said Joshua Kemeka Yobia. When you're number 6, you know, company, and so they can be said. Bynum, and number 6, and it's in a moment Kosua. One the Joao Palina, and so a buyer, and Tim Common, Omadi, and a Bonatiasia, and also more burning, you know, and for number 6 row. Burnus with Julia Basuano, and some number 6, and tonight, Casino, Sabasabia Basa Enya, and number 6, Abasabia Liverpool Sunya, and number 6, and no Aya Jumedia. You know, so Chesabian Kelfrine, and could see watching our brother transfer market, you know, and some other clothes. I was some piney tuno, and on some let me pass our brother, and so I update about something, you know, yet the Emma, yet for an anno pay, and some our shoulders are fay, my men front two, and I'm so rum, oh, Bobo Kua, your father said, no, I am boss Ebiama, there was a kind of answer fat in enter, no, but on Obaba, now yes, answer flecknum. Okay, yeah, but about 2 drama started pre-season, and I make us a training sessions, and no across our bus, our training grounds out time. One started pre-season floating now. Maybe catch us a player about cross and say, one I want fast war, one I yet Martin, I'm a Timno, and some I answer fatty, and my manager can say, why you dark with the pa? Now, pra, and I'm a boy in your mouth, touch a Jamano Casino, report to my second sister manager, and also our GD, our Kodanum say, I could I Bankwandia or Obiano Ababan Faswo and some Yama Bobo Kua, Yafan FC Barcelona Arches and no, and some update from us what Deba, Mama Boss and Kotana, Kakrebno Mopra, Adeba could to Bassanya, Nanin answer also to Bonsa, almost so more now could be a Trinity, a Corona Trinity of Faba, now ya high PIS, Wapra, a Corano Supra Cabano, when you say Ebium Estate, with Ansu Fati Baba number 10 essay. Make a class at an earlier messy war. I just have making a W. A bonum say, K, Messy Qua, Yanya to be person and pa bonnet. Now could down some just one bonnet bar, one a John and also pa. Namum for Fian Twata, and a cobas answer for to Copra and Cotoge. I mean, none of what tono, I did chance to Cotoge, a Sanshan Suo, I did chance Yake, now a Prasan and Yajaba Tuba, a Triaco day, and some Asako Premium, Padri, a Trinity. Na La Liga campaign furniture say Royal Football aya Federation pen for the Akwadano akom aya junior team no medina ko senior team no Obama Basa ma pressure amount Akwadano some akoprai ebi some ato Gavi Alejandro Balde and some Asafabi nanu ye no aya Akwadano for say Mark Benal acha so no some Trinity Akwadano and some akopra na yes Basa pen for the same. And you man a cosono, one come to woman tiasie. Now, omen baby as a bad luck and some free. As the moment I could be a P. Al could an oban for some timna and can be a sense, you know, will be a for Basala or be a bay at the timno, Oban said Nipana Kakopra. The trauma walk crying now, Yakudana and Fanasa, a Yamak Benamasa. Second where the call to 6 about. I could have borrowed status, oh boy, Young Sakudanum, a Kakopra. I'm a Namano Casa AC. And Aquatano, and so Aquaquina Bassa from the Gidia Bassa Dina, you can say Balakano, and also I Juma Amino Casano, and so I update about weekend and some more Italy matches I am more. What am say I will call Italy? Namia Maria tells us Friday. 1 hour big game back when about so Friday, no, I am much Abobokua, your father say Inter Milan, 1 hour fear to Atalanta, no, and Yamia Mochina and a sack game, no, and no some Ababaso, 1 boy, Yamia Saturday. Ya Laxo Bianco Celesti, woman and a similar Bobokuno, and some now big game about answering Yamia Duma, a yes Sunday and a Bobokua, your father said Jufi, woman some and Roma for an album Gamino, now Jaminian and Nano Perry say, yes, at the Panatono, born out Juventus Albanintino, wouldn't say Manoka saying. Womo say woba Alliance Stadium a match no Jamesa kan say enuru but sold out enya de say oh you fun na say bia wo take it bi ato na ya ka say ya wo benya take it ato report to amenya no say ni nyina na aye de tiago motor effect e wa bra matches so ba ni nyina no aye win and o ref fan say motor enso anya ntinyame ya na Sunday wa bra juve e wo fie e de tia Roma e wa bro any day when some aye big game no you say aye sold out e wa bra yes we benya take it ni bi ensom ato enyame ya adoma wochena Inter Milan and Atalanta omo matcha and abaso once again akodana ye fan say Nicolo Zaniolo report to amenya no say akodano yes we kwakwa safa aye chese strain on the muscle no monti ochena we out on to be mo sa game bi ensom ama Atalanta nan ka Nicolo obia na we beba mfaso de ama Atalanta game no na so ochena Inter and Atalanta for game Zaniolo ensom antimi mo sa match ni bia and update abasa Chiesa obedru Liverpool enra am say obe medical na no pe Chiesa de say me catch us na kana akoma so ade pa enso aye Barca ne mom wabra Barca sika sem ntimi kiko mo ho e ma ne nya ye Barca for kra so mo kra no obi ye no do ofa bia ba ye etian kama akra na so ntese an munya se na mo de din abata mo de na mo de ye nyoma na mo say jomo kan nyina so obi amegyina ba bia amfa ofa bi ameto anim na jeminya no sa Chiesa no owura baako bi a friend say Sandro Sabatini wonom anu wo say ye obusa sa agabia no say mo amwo Juve na mo say ain ana Chiesa no woni bobo na coach fan Samas Allegri ono na asa ana Allegri na ntimi nyusu akoda no ana Allegri nyanyale na denje sam kan bia na mo amote ho a mo kasa Allegri ntimi nyusu akoda na ye fan say Chiesa ye no anya mo no say ja akora ne kwa so ko Liverpool na obusa say sanka akoda no woni no bo aya de te say de mo kan na mo say manager na mpa boy no ensom asem a ade na ba ya new coach aba mo ma mota enyusu na dia mu ja boy ne kwan ensom ama boy na ko aya question and training na ye fan say Sandro Sabatini ensom na be sa Juve wo mo pen for by now crowd ya minim say be a player ye fan Scott McTominay am say Walande ensom awania ye fan say Naples ano aya chese Italy ho na boy no obedra obe medical o yepa wo be sign contract and no ma kan nyina no ensom na be to aso adjama na me say owura fan say Lukaku ebe start training and weekend di omo bo a game and some area Chapama wonim say Bobo Kwan fan say Napoli wo mo lose omo first game be win second game na je eba say manager no abasa na Lukaku ebe ya available ni nyina no say okay ya medical de abatu da ama me kai pass me catch on say manager no wono ana draw a training na I was a brand say Lukaku eye owo fie ana Chelsea and Napoli kasa na omo nyanwe nkomo ni nyina no na Chelsea Napoli for no ana draw a program and ya mo refer say Lukaku a washa so and some adi training enti mane nya so bi otifi ono didi anu wada and na crowd ya minya no say wo mo sheda ya diet plan and no a specific diet and mo wura ya refer say Lukaku wo mo cha say diwei mani wei num wei menum we omo yesa na mani nyina na dema no yesa du ba bi kura na wo mutumi kyen se bia no pa bia between be 6 ekosi awia du mienu mani di wo de ye fasting ama jamesa kan se sane mani nyina no yesa Lukaku nsum ba ye bi awa bra wo fasting ye ensom ba hyemu ho ba bi a chese sane mani nyina no ensom ba so ade ma akodan na eno aye update aba ho nsem nyina no ye de am ye chefo ena anationko minus aba start training eto no som ba ye training Amajufa one also be available for Sunday when we game eba so e fie a chese no aye match abobo kwa fan say Roma and some about to Jufa and aye cup minus adia and a chese dema ye chefo enano pai and some our show so yanko Germany mama bamuntin one traditional aye photo shoot no and some about so where you Polana na also mo show mo nika bi no fan kekempene no omo show mo ni kana no me omo sa omo German dress and be idio masa omo kwa ne chese omo ja gana se bia glass na omo som ade fa chese pint no and send a gum no a chese nei anope no omo photo shoot officially and some about so senche ya baba kwa the month of October 1st ebaba October 1st and so yes how you nkwa masa e bi nkwa boys wa onim num na wotwa bi a chese omo photo shoot no and no some na Jonathan Ta Jemi nyano se boy no Liverpool for say Sabamuchi so many abre ampa Nanya Bamuchi aba so motodia o de emfiri ne nkoso watch na time nhyira ni ho enti odomfa 30 million euros emra wo mo 30 million euros ne ba wo mo abaje amacha sa akotana ye fan say Jonathan Ta enya chance aba be ball enso ama bobo ku fan say Bamuchi e wa bra me no kasa bi bia betimi asi wenso na ye du ba ko a e wo say wo be close eye e wo ho achasa bi bia betimi abaso enso na ma Bavarians bobo ku no na nyame ya ma weekend ya wo big game achasa na abaso report to me nyan say yes, Liverpool for no. One more trust and Kebia Kiesa. We are medical and na Kebia Burnham at me Roman Tempa and Yomanino and some Aquacama at Jamano. Now Ida Sebia Bueno, Ebe Rum our match day squad. And I Sebia Kiesa, Ebe shall match to be from the stance. I'm going to say, one more some Adena Contibiano and some Nabatraba train. I'm a manager fans and a slot. I know, and your coach, I'm a Tunaba. Wabana Sebia and a pre match conference Abasua. And your bones of Federico Kiesa. No, one about me our match day squad anymore and I say be a gamer one some never should be our stance anymore now German second say answer a branch fan sir Danny Murphy and a slot by say kwakama the slot will be about abasom na Danny Murphy no pay and a Murphy say the best one can answer some match where Nyame Adama Sunday Airbus our way Liverpool Old Trafford and way a test at the man coach na your fan and a slot way and a just say we bet you Jumana nas on to me Jumano na dia Madam Murphy can answer yakasa man you and Liverpool and found and I said your man you one more form the city one Liverpool a different game cry at the match way and I bet you saw Penino a Jumano or bet me and I said your Juman agent in some yentie Danny Murphy
in the same positions as he did last time. He's had a little tweak. I think the philosophy of his football is to go after teams and win games and control games. I don't think he's pragmatic or defensive in any way, which is always endearing to a set of supporters. There is a little bit of difference in terms of the more patient build-up, a lot more passing roundabout, a lot more passing to keep possession rather than to progress at times, which is a little tweak. But overall, I think he's probably been sensible in not changing too much. The majority of the team played in the same positions as it did last time. He's had a little tweak in the middle with Gravenberch coming into the holding role, which we've not seen so much before, which has worked so far. This is the first test. United will be
yes, not just a way and a test at the manager Francis and a slot according to Danny Murphy, not just a matches now. Liverpool can't body in Massa Williams and Amode Prapramo Baby Archers and Yamaya Sunday. Way and a sovereign and Casa at Dema and a slot Archers and a gamer and also about so much I can Semino. Memory for the Mohamed Salah. Salah some I didn't come and an open a Mosala say on what did he about I am match I watch and Mr. Babaso. Also so much way Salah de be set a record. Would it be equal record? Would it be so a breaking records? I am a rough I say. Yeah, we say Mosala say and you be a Sunday more qua way. Now money Man United and I was so much about to say and I want a city Mohamed Salah.
The team to win the game. That's the most important. Yeah, I'm excited for it. We play Manchester United now. Usually we don't play them that early, but yeah, it's a big game coming, and I just focus as it's a big game, and I always want to help the team to win the game. That's the most important thing for me. I don't go to the game and just keep thinking about the record. I done already my work before the game, and I just go to the game and enjoy. When you win the game and you score goals, that's you feel you done your job.
It does.
Yes, not just a no. I am some branch fans, Mohamed Salah, and our tenant Casa, ya Dennis Torres, Ninano, and my from him, Sir Adebakua. I am concerned, am a Liverpool fan, and I said, be a Liverpool supporters, Ninano, I am Dabay, and I better say Mohamed Salah. Why stand there a contract? I'm a Liverpool no pay. One who saw reference to Salah. When him say, Mo Salah say, one drink contract and all, we're free at your holidays, a banana drink, and say, Omsaka one season pet. we season where ya or your free agent and you know not just say here no baby na attention and some bomba enjoy season no and to our Liverpool now with their word said that bang and Salah will sign that banner Salah where you're danning and a massa mon come bomb na more enjoy season na and no ban I have one at a time I have one at a go mamon can you ma pimum a bassa form and so that just I'm saying be able to be SEO yentie mo Salah on the future say you be ano was saying and I say be a saying and a city.
I don't think much, to be fair. More, I think with the time you get more wisdom, I would say. So I think I just came before the season. I was like, okay, I have 1 year left, so just let's enjoy it. Don't think about the contract now. Don't think about anything, and I really just enjoy. I don't want to think about next year. I don't want to think about the future. Just okay, let's enjoy the last year and we see. Every week, that's the most important thing. Just take one day at a time. I don't think much.
Yes, na just fan a day at a time, and your friend I'll watching any moment I woman no, and I just a moment also enjoy to bueno. One went to me and Kansas Sudia Sabia Obeste, one also went to me and Kansas Sudia Sabia and Comodia Cosnum, the best work coming in Sabian attention, I want to, and yet yes, I walk in the future, and no, and some I reply, I just a Mosala, at demand a contract, and some money, and so I update tab, I'm a canon of per se. I brought some Manuel Ugari. Wano I medical area wa pass na latest about say man you for no yes Manchester for no hwenemo na man you our GDA be say by nyame yadmo ochina Friday enkodru midday na chese ochina enkodru ebia wi adum ye no na chese de me nyane nyina so twese abronte na ye for no say Ugarte man you etimi register no and send at 12 p.m. about watching a Friday. One say about ball a Liverpool and so a game to be. I just remember somebody Aquadano and some I share a yes I'm much anymore and no I update about to buy no about to make any derby Yamiarama Sunday and a game against Liverpool. Yet the update in Emma to final pay and some I was shown so Juve. One more from the buyer now I 7 + 8 million for Brantavan said Jadin Sancho Jamaican and pay no and one of the Sukitam Ninansa, one sing Kamayu, Sikana by an agent now to be ano. Mono was a mutia facet, no. Now you did because Mono, as I was one, yes, yo, what? Yama Koma Joe. Yes, you was one yan and Tamanami Jabo, and I met Madia song. I just a Jew for say, Moon Trib in your Fabi Sosua, and also Antation, so Bino, one of some at Chelsea, one of some like Chelsea, Essence, or also Dada, one was so sunny now, no, some Chelsea ni I just a debi I tibi we assume I could know some Chelsea now Jamaican say Jew for say Kieza abedie nanka JC number 7 at our train Sancho now some no ka said you say can you say boy no and some train Chelsea for now and I update about Chelsea pen for no yes one tiri about some coach ni now we and the coach I was saying come from the crowd dada I just some tiri about some mistakes and maybe you come ni no say one where your coach Bakua, one or your honest or the no cry and a year Juma, and I want to monitor managers in our post comments. Jamie and some and say, one say on Tessa Mariso Potatino, I just a Drubabia, Nasa or the assembly in Anmon Chenche, when a penalty selected taker, one more to Minka, and I want a day or so na ye bobo, and opponent almost opening, ever catch us a gentleman you mudrika frimu, and I said, oh, she will be catch some why I wear, Raim selling that it is also what now bono when you be more tom and the other one so on call and just or your board or I could draw one was stamping authority and some other team so now bas and Mariso Pochettino na yeshida who Caicedo yeshida who Ebia Enzo Fernandez and anonymous Madueke now some three bas no masha so mu no omo break kakra bi kan wa manager ebetimi transform san kwadana wo some aka onsa striker eba ya na ma de oto no said yam shishine kakra mu busa ne so pani na anyabia no wakoda na fan say Jackson ono na kasa because yesimo pa fan Tony mo san Victor Osimhen wono boy na kasa odi etie se de osi and sen training na no.
I said the focus now is just there. I didn't speak with Nicolas about this, to be honest. I had the meeting with Nicolas yesterday, but just about the good things, the amount of good things he is doing with us inside the pitch. Because as I said, the focus now is just there. Also, I don't think that Nicolas needs a chat in terms of is our 9, is our striker in this moment, and we are very happy with him. The reason why I sat with him yesterday is because I wanted to show him the amount of the good things that he's doing for us since we start. So we are very happy with Nicolas, and at the moment it's the only thing that we can say.
Yes, na chese enrachi ono boy na tena said din komane mom anya se bia strike and come on now boy na ba so senyo mapa ene chese ne pa koda no gusu oye ede matu na no komo no mudi na ni kwasa boy no ede na attention ekọ ana bia Osimhen ne Ivan Toney enses Osimhen de no make sure na no person out of enra na chese Napoli are soften almost stance and watch it na chese player e fan say Osimhen enso say o twen Chelsea na every and yawada and say Chelsea will be papa biya. Our some yen and because I must say and no ban power just say be the 2 years as man ya can. Now nina say Sikena Bobo Fans ugly. Woman the free Saudi Arabia bano, woman the 75 and about Metiano pay say Chelsea for no woman that is 60 million pounds. Not just say best be a 70 million euros and alcohol. Now the Alban says Sikena Ayades ugly at the money 30 million euros a season. Now I'm more of our boy no contract for 4 years, 120 million euros. What just can was in Nigeria? Cromams what to talk running in as I say, was Simon some nice alpha in here about J and as a man in general report to a second sister and also at that some I can Chelsea. Now Chelsea from the core Enra, Mebecca and the Pesa, yes, a brand is a tool no. Jaminian said Chelsea for no, one sounded confident, say, woman up a jar of animal, and I like Lusako Dano, woman some to me and in a year, woman to say be a denche ya untimi ru, I yet Chelsea out our Bracodano, woman some other pajam, I just want to almost bueno, I your black bastard transfer, just say, I just a name of Fusano, and some about Sicano, woman pajam at a Costro Kappa, and you join your Bournemouth on loan Sharak, Mamma Kappa video now, boss na, woman a Kappa, so the Yamsafi will be to Misha Bournemouth for being Mohamed Salah and one her Bob, the Benning and a Cockabasuno, it was in the Sabah chilling now just a Kappa, no. Na Jamesa can some Obokua, Yafansa Strasbourg, almost 1 Georgi Petrovic on loan, and I'm a loan too. Menoka say, Arsenal goalkeeper, Yafan around Ramsdale, and I say a medical. I was Southampton, Yakawa some the Achoda Dada, on Abasai, Arsenal Fono, one Omunto, Biana transfer market, no, and some Aculas, no, a Cabasa be a chance in the Batia, woman some Abasai, Midisi, now she has Arsenal, Medford trial, yes, it declare Rice, Mika Marino. Anna Martin Odegaard on any day. Woman and Rancher me and Samedonum, Wombajinum, Natcha, Somo Yash, Yabrantana Gununo, Amo Yash Patel Guanasa, Achasanum, Kakra Eba Mike, Sebia okay.
Fancy Yamiadum Bibia Kama. I also insist to say Pate because when you be a bo, a was na bobo kunim. It's only a matter of time. And I'm a Makasa, he needs to work on his fitness and then the physical conditioning. So Ojina, so na. Definitely, it will be difficult for Arteta to overlook Partey. Amongst Arsenal midfielders, what Partey offers, the dynamism, the calm, anyway, it will always be necessary. Say he will play, and based on how ready he is and how fit he is, I think say no na yedebe use but we now come agenda. But BBC Liverpool, I think they will have a difficult summer next year. Transfer window way contract you Van Dijk Omobe renew and Ameboa. If they decide to renew, it means they will give Van Dijk new or improved terms. 2, Salah there. 3, Trent Alexander-Arnold. If Liverpool wants to keep these 3 players, it means fancy which is saying increasing good. So it makes Liverpool and then the negotiation powers abra all call for new players any wage negotiations ema omohochire omukakra because Salah the OGCC or the be can not na ebeye issue. Van Dijk the be can obetina ebeye issue. Trent the be can obetina ebeye issue. New players ebaswa you negotiate salaries with them. Nti ansha the fear say omobe bloati omo wage bill no it might cause them to allow 1 or 2 of star players to leave. Salah, Van Dijk, Trent. If Liverpool are keeping them at all cost, it will make their transfer business to a bit problematic. This is what I see. Early days yet, and so basically, see me dream when you were doing the Salah story. So he's not really worried about this.
Yeah,
because I don't know how to 2 years. I don't know how to 2 years, and saying, or she goes near on a high. Saudi Arabia bet me about with big money. That is where Liverpool will need to match the offer, and if they want to extend or renew for the long term. Maybe Liverpool are also planning for life after Salah. And now more try experiment with Chiesa money way. So let's see how things will go. But Nyoma Beye very interesting. Away from there, Liverpool are also meeting Man U at the wrong time, and I fear for them. Our game on Bebo weekend way.
Liverpool.
Yeah, me can say my baby PM Saturday. Me Stroma Liverpool for no. One, this season Liverpool in 100% start, but it has not been against opponents or more top form or more pedigree. Ipswich, a newly promoted side. When Omoje and Yomemu Pampeno, we saw how difficult it was for Liverpool in the first half. Then Omobeshi at Brentford. Brentford, what I'll show Omo first game, Omo boy, this season, you will know clearly they have defensive issues. So Liverpool winning the 2 games, it is not enough a testament to show, say, and yeah, Omo team nafa under a year way and a slot. What I think is that they are meeting United at the wrong time. United are fresh off a defeat to Brighton or Bowofie. Anytime United for the press your mokon to prove something. Games are always expected some baby or being him see a Monsono. They cause an upset. They cause you a shock. Check the FA Cup final against Manchester City. No being him set Ten Hag in the last game. No. Yeah. They were able to pull up something. So I fear for Liverpool kakra, and to me. Saturday, my dive deep, the statistics no way back. But what I'm saying is that in that game, Mimi said the worst for United will be a draw. Liverpool, especially baby almost unsober. Wow. Liverpool coach for Fraba or Old Trafford no Abefa way. I was almost bonus. When was the last time we said it? So that is how I fear for them. But my agenda the transfers, Stefan Bajcetic, I think the best move for him in Austria. Let's not kid ourselves. Barca would have offered him playing opportunities near there, but circumstances or conditions prevail in fancy Trese. So call Barca and the pressure beto above so he's just a young boy. We know Osa, 20 years growing. Then he comes from a footballing family. And on football Titiano so from Spain was Celta Vigo. Oba Liverpool on your breakthrough campaign and no matches do a boy and it was just 19 games. And no show say potential no. So now Kobe and him say the carry forward from that breakthrough campaign would have been last season. And unfortunately, injury subabedininya. So we have not seen him in a full-fledged season or commanded a starting spot consistently. All Bomo Biachina to him say, you way there or you have flown in born, but I said your Pedri and the Gavin Moye, when it any different. So if you put him in a situation like Barcelona, especially after say or recover from injury, pressure never boy is 1 year careful Poko Bobas and never 5 matches once and sweeper. Because at Barca, the environment is very demanding, and then the terrain and the whole surroundings, they expect you to churn out your best every match day. And no yet a day away in a bit me offer now. He can't offer that now because he is not in a peak physical condition. No one yan tono recover mombejina and nas ye. When players go for a lengthy injury, no more back fancy. So more experienced players, or more even for experienced players, they suffer. And 2 years old, Fanny Kwasha Bass and him number, I saw certain or social media. Oh no, the double pivot of Bajcetic and it is a dream. Please, imagine where you dream no. Mostly it does not manifest. The physical. And this is pure footballing thing I make no. He rather needs an environment that will be very understanding of the situation now, or for pressure Anthony so, and that is what he gets at Austria with Red Bull Salzburg. One, Pep Line does not in the he was at Liverpool last season. Into Onimwe situation, no, he will have insight as to how Omo person Omo tailor the recovery Emmanuel Makoye de mano. So Pep Linders will know how best to use him. 2, the club, Red Bull Salzburg, the perfect farmhouse to hatch your eggs. Kutu kusiana. Baby, I only be gonna and I bet you say kusiana be say and now akukọ ne betimi abobo kusiana ma nkukọ mba ne free maba. Red Bull Salzburg, they have such an environment. A lot of young players or more talent, they have gone there and they've carefully hatched them to become successful professional footballers. Haaland, Kenya, the same thing. From Norway to Austria, then they brought him to Germany. Yehudi Holland here. Into Okobe Bia, a best suited dear Ohia, ewane career musisi. For Barca, maybe future, but now, Koko Barca now, I think it would have really hampered his progression and full recovery from injury. So I think Nebusia and then the club Liverpool decided to choose the right destination for him. And now Omeko Yedemano. Barca Sika 70 and even if they had met the financial winner, I don't think a move to Barca would have helped him, in my opinion, based on the pressure and the demanding area. Now, I know a car in Sembebre say Dimpa Ayasia Hunya Anamebua.
Yes.
Which translates to it, a good name is better than
Sompa Sports.
We also undervalue the significance of relationship. Sadia we funny serious, but crucial.
Very true.
Having connections are more important than having 1 million in your pocket now. Having connections, contact, who to fall on in times of need, a sombo sense a wunya sika. The money in your pocket now can end up appreciate, and I say it will depreciate. And the value never depreciate a better form. But the connections can get you a far higher value in the future based on a particular need. Relationship. And then they kept our Bournemouth. There has been a bailout. Anameboa. Good. Because and then Ochinano difference is warm. Okay, so yesterday, Federico Chiesa was £100 million rated player. Today, Federico Chiesa, £10 million. But if you maintain a solid relationship, you never know what it will be worth for you in the future.
Because Chiesa across Liverpool penalty.
£100 million. England teams could Juventus say they beat that way or so your position or your situation can turn around based on circumstances. At the end of the Chiesa we is and you know the be pro. These are things unforeseen. You don't plan it. It comes. A part of life. But at the end of the day, you need a bailout. Say oh fratry there no more fra woni omo fro no. So who sane so omo na obehi omo. So depending on how you treat them, they will also treat you similar because the law of karma always plays a role. In this case, it is a valuable life lesson I want all of us to learn. But for relationship, Kepa Nkodasu training, Chelsea under 21. It has fetched him a deal with Bournemouth. He will stay in the Premier League. This has happened across various sporting circles. Football career be braina relationship. We always undervalue this. So let's take lessons from it because any differences be brain Bo no my any saying they had it and your Bob Bebre, Bob, and Sabah could be short by 8 million. A Bob could pay. Yes, and Bob could pay. So I can move you a matrix. I think a similar concept into a stoppables Nina or the Sabah. And it's a beautiful concept, but fancy and the Champions League draw never coso. And the Champions League is taking a different format. Not all the Champions League competition, but for the group stage. Into the nimno say a group stage 8 groups made up of 4 teams. Ya collapsing and I expanding. So the explanation is there. Ewo brofum. Shadrach bet me abo video no bo we are. Mesmeje mrena macheche mu otwi so that obia beti ase because I think questions need doors no. And then no master na Champions League here then. Today we'll do our best to explain it to you in the simplest manner so that confusion be a cause wo trimbiano you bet me ye frame.
UEFA club competitions will see a brand new format with a league phase replacing the traditional group stage. Under the new format, in the UEFA Champions League, teams will play 8 matches against 8 different teams, 4 at home and 4 away. So what does that mean for the league phase draw? Well, the new draw system is hybrid. A team is manually drawn and their opponents then randomly drawn by a dedicated software. Teams are seeded in 4 pots based on their individual club coefficients. Only the UEFA Champions League title holder is placed at top seed in pot 1, irrespective of its coefficients. Starting with the 9 teams in pot 1 then, a ball is manually drawn at random. An automated software then randomly draws 8 opponents, 2 from each pot. The software also randomly decides which matches that team plays at home and which matches away. Teams will face 1 match against opponents from each pot at home and 1 away. The software follows a set of principles, ensuring that teams do not face an opponent from their own national association and play a maximum of 2 opponents from any one other national association. While doing this, the software always calculates the draw will not at any point result in a deadlock situation. The same principles are followed in the UEFA Europa League, while in the...
In Chemuni near fancy, Brofona, Yenuane Chemu Kani, what will change is that the group stage, Sabio, Kani in album Iron League. Now, as a result of the league, the Champions League last season, and a year in recent times, 32 teams, but they've increased it to 34 teams. So 4 more teams have been added. And Oma collapse 8 groups no iron 1 league structure with 36 teams. Now based on Obia UEFA coefficient ranking, and the be seeding for the pot. The only exception be the winner of last season's Champions League, the current title holder, which is Real Madrid. Into Madrid no benya position 1 ewo pot 1 mu. Into ende the first club be drawn Real Madrid. Now this is how the format will work. Say when you manual and then automatic. Automatic is a computer model and a bell running. First idea nanki de balls be so near the balls negum nandipa ya fro no abanue ni ebie. Now this manual process will take place with the lining up of the 36 teams omowo. Enti ene de nipa beyi. So what happens is that the ball need a go ball mu. And we port 1 na ebe 4 balls and we port 1 na team out be na bia Madrid way back on. Madrid na ebe ye piano and the manual process. The moment ebe Madrid, that is where the computer takes charge. Into computer na the obey say ye Madrid pe now I started synchronization process. Na say or pair. Into the moment ye be team 1 Real Madrid ye Real Madrid from port 1. Then na computer no scan port 1. 2 teams are Madrid be face. No asans way port 2. 2 teams are Madrid be face. Port 3. 2 teams are Madrid be face. Port 4. 2 teams are Madrid be face. In Tisano Madrid ebo 8 matches. First in the group stage obeshia 3 teams pair. Now this our teams no abo home and away. We no memusa. 2 teams ye from each port no. Only obeshia in 1 game pair. Now computer now be decided say 2 teams were port 1 we be home we be away. No asanso be port 2 we home we away. No be port 3 we home we away. No asanso be the same 10 for port 4.
To bet me share team okwa away awakwa away.
Exactly.
Uni home bia bobi.
Enti you be a fan so let me we Madrid say na Madrid no support 2 computer ni Liverpool ni Inter Milan ma Madrid obetimi aka say Madrid ni Liverpool bebo wa Anfield and just say Madrid ni Liverpool ba bebo Bernabeu dey be omo bo one off into omo bo Anfield we asa dey be Madrid na host Inter Milan ewo the Bernabeu dey be port 2 Madrid Leverkusen Madrid Atlanta or so Madrid ni Atlanta bebo ewo Bergamo no abo Leverkusen wo Bernabeu no abo port 3 the same thing. So this is how the new format will work. And Omobeye Nisa for all the teams in the various sports. Obia Benyane there. So every team of the 36 will play 8 different matches. And a 4 home, 4 away. Only team bakun to me mbo home and away in Sida.
To say to the end, now about 3 matches for home. No about 3 matches. We no about 6. No.
Yeah.
This time that be the 2 matches are 8.
Exactly.
But 8 no only home and away.
There be.
Say you might say ABAO mini mic nebo. Now computer draws and bonu homa. Me bash obey 8 or me feel.
No.
Inti oba me count ton John.
Obeba be fee. And then another one so yeah. Once a year Ruby or Champions League say teams from the same member associations, any kind of country, teams from the same country, it will still remain. And Madrid, the same association team on any frame. And then there were different countries or more teams or more presented. And you cannot meet an opponent from the same country more than 2 times. And Tebia, no. So where share Italy teams are AMUP, untimi share Italy teams AMSA. So computer no or me feeding with these informations or no beshe no timia ye bibia no waye. So that is how it will be. Match days no will start from the 17th to the 19th of September for match day 1.
Okay.
January until 4 p.m.
Mate, Mike, me da say verse Bibi I find here.
Oh, fancy.
And then so we are able to KT mame and our cheda. Our mama message and say o me wi nyame yar me ye na nkasa so ye February. Yeah, ne fada ye February twam yi. And I yes and baba na madam so the next year February. Okay, ti mo shedin wate. Na because I know how you feel. Oboa.
You no credit.
Unimbi.
You cancer.
He who feels it knows it.
Yes.
Yentio.
Fancy, we hear a story about Barcelona phone and the woman kwala and si prepare. Time and Barca phone would team. A was seeker to get players on board. No, and kwala no more no prepare.
No pressure no more so.
Isaac Kuenka be boy, young so Prada, just one team more Basano. But then keke be boy, one team more Basano. Christian tell you board team no.
Mark money, yes, sir.
O man team more. At that time, no players were na pressure one kwala so to deliver no ni ho ni sorosa. We na ye can start from Ansu Fati. When Barcelona seek asem bar from na Messi equal. Imagine a young guy and a body into mu. The pressure and how our games never taken fast animal players no na obabe replace Messi. At a point in time when Wakoba will take it time to warm themselves into the season proper, no maybe one year preseason grano, he need to be thrown into the game zone.
Yeah, almost rushing back into the squad.
And then Nyoma after for Musa, the Basa be and Kwalane ba no plan because Sikani knew what to get the players. Ntin Kwalane Ohono, ye the Omako question so Mumbo Bono without so Mubod na ready to accept that changes. It takes time and kakran debia we biano. It takes time. So one kasa crowd bobo ni biache. Na so ko bobe 5 minutes. Wa hwe de wi body musu yawo. This all bobo to so sa kakra and sana about net me accept this is the normal norm. And yes I obre. So when so kan hu bi and a Barca players no omu prepare sa. This is a young guy. The intensity of La Liga muno. Ebi obobi won kwala ni mo wonya. Minutes obebo won kwala ni no. Obo 90 minutes wo ha ebi so obo be 50 minutes and so La Liga proper nim. But he was thrown into the game and he was giving them the needed performance on Mope. So we cause for ball. And then the win so timiaba. We are only hoping say san man be timi ejai. And I'm Barca for we got a point in time Barca for they needed someone obey Serge Mandiamomo. They had him and then they pray win Sufaba. But your mo ankasa e do maduru ba bi o maduru no sika 7 de yom tito to no man da bia meka o man to no ma ye eno ne ene e do maduru ba bi o maduru no. The same thing happened to Juventus and for the past 4 seasons Juventus show mu hu no saa bi na to mo sika 7 to no so your team na want to ni year saa na e ba sika na call Messi ho. We needed to make Messi happy. Yeah, true Ronaldo salary more. Young Messi ho. Yeah, true Ronaldo salary more. Young Messi. When any do maduru no and o ma pentem to players bia amwa. Any do maduru na be o maduru no but we are hoping say Saturday no so betima free ho no mo anti watimi start nya on players o mo enso di o mo di juma. Lukaku to Napoli no. Bia obebusa question say den kwana Lukaku hu Napoli den kwana eye konta hu Lukaku mu so ope no ewiase na nkasa ye wo no
Sompa Sports
ye nipa bia na wa abrabo mu a so okoba bia ye hu say o presence wo ho no eye beneficial de man nipa na wo ne kwakoye adwuma no
needed.
Chelsea for na kire say nyoma Lukaku aben over 2 spells no mo nyenye ho wantimi am de wo pe enti now on ye hia no Chelsea wo. So he needed to find a new home. So Antonio Conte is someone or best striker something say Lukaku saso. Ye hu ni mo ne Lukaku ye wo Inter Milan. Nya na dini ma de nya sa ska ne ba Chelsea no. Yes. So ye hu ni mo a odina ye. And how we see best strikers or more that stature. Ye hu de Graziano Pelle mu na ye. Inti oyobi opesa strikers no and we are going to a new setup a place all kwa kosi sanimum Lukaku aboy in the series our experience wom he needs someone to say Lukaku type so go all out Lukaku no so what say Chelsea ho no yempenu nto no so nya de so obetena ho nti now they are gradually getting their man and so munya Lukaku be so setup ni mu a Antonio Conte will work on him and make sure say the kind of performance no the man Inter Milan or some replicate here the man who team friend or Napoli mu. Victor Osimhen de no ho no so issue in terms of no better na so obeko but the here na say unya nipa na open ni wie nipa o suit o style ni wie no betime the needed goals are ope obe suit o style of play na then you think of say ujo obi kwan ye hu de Chelsea for ne ye na o mu secure players o mu pe wie ye no they been able to do away with players no mumpe no akakra omujo omukwan now kepe ko Petrovic ko so players are chasing for no mo control secure the open we are then you do away with players are umpe so Lukaku ko set Napoli setup ni mo we will see a new Lukaku and Antonio Conte and he's work on him he's someone when it comes to any players I say ye ni gidie wo mumu amanfo gidize o masa or someone with me as edgeman and we've seen it couple of times so yeah as young money now I got to a point in time where Inter Milan now man for Bomudini so I think that he will work on a branch of Lukaku and he will come good for team FN and Napoli. Simone no yanka say or ya late manager na
I'll let you go for manager and the
because sometimes the new be away no what na din now you know who I want to say yesterday for instance against Espanyol a team of relegation aba it wants to a ball league and be paying there but when I need to turn in the first half a chances are let's come and create here yeah but second half now no I 3 things at a goal no asamba say shape no flow we've seen managers say Ancelotti mo Pep Guardiola mo o share Jose Mourinho mo omo plan B etimi trick omo system in a game emo result but Simone kwa manager ontimi hu say wo say ni bi won team sim and it's something that hard among football now average no plan by wo buy na one facade na man tire say brand nim pra you know you ni film keke but this a guy oba alleged kwa people believe that the star man of the team from Manchester City he's at a place I know be bold but he thinks he needs to be the main man. In the main man who Atletico Madrid. Yeah, both game you create chances. Yes, Atletico Madrid no more creating chances. They were creating chances, but no one to mean you have Alvarez who know you need in film, and he's someone America can a team no crying primpino. So when Timians some no one nice in defensive football near the now bona, then you see there be Sadena Diamano as a late manager. No, we need to take it away from him because players are on a lot of them quality players for that matter. I want him for Moon deliver. He's won the La Liga couple of times. But I think that it is about time where he needs to focus on getting players that they will get the job done. No sign no man or you know. UEFA Champions League no nya sure say teams in players be 50-50.
Are they?
Because now from 125 matches to 189 matches near Bebo.
Sikana
said in that December na kebe UEFA Champions League no na ebe gram akọ January in terms of say na group stages we no into the upper matches ebe ba 6 e cost road to 8
games pen on the account
domestic leagues and so team wo FA Cups ahoro mbobo no countries mu any other cups ombo and so team wo ɛnyɛ overbedding ne bedding players no ma hu sɛ Pirates dim komo na o Canada ne kyerɛ mo sɛ ɔmo nyɛ hwee format ne sɛ yɛ saa league na ɔmo gyina mu tintina twan so ɔmo ne mmam no ɛna makɔ akɔfa aba
Super League no
this time around no sika ne nkɔ class ne hɔ bɛɛba UEFA for no hɔ. And I think they are not thinking about the players. They are not thinking about the teams. Because said the normal see kono and where you both run January whole season now, you will see a lot of injuries. Because a demanding UEFA Champions League so open match back we are. Utimus and Abi, no more team call with him, no, something one cause teams and no more team call with him. So I think that a set teams they need to start getting a players maybe 50 a more cancel register or more. But Ivan Tonya Semino, minim ebia be victim of circumstance. The way Brentford for the born into a man for no. Because what on the price now 35 million as saying. A bar record say she goes well Premier League nima and go ho. But you see teams super strikers. Yam ball a brand defend Ivan Toney Dini. Near nam ne hosa the kind of football Brentford for no bone into but party every time see them to ball kind of a ball. If that's all your fate.
I said yes, Atleticos no proud.
One so bar Arsenal. So prepare but so one prano stay fitter. Obe benching more no money how much never time of the ball. We believe in party and we believe in what party can do. Yen mo bia yes I don't know you know. Yet that be your party need you can't
well for us me that say maminda aye bafu polo so asin entire ni bi ana ya hwe no aye bafu polo ensa no ni bi nie we in African print na bafu polo that's what they edi ni dwumade e ma de o mti say wo ba na opa bi nso ahya when bafu polo ebe kasa companies and schools and institutions awodo a mo pe Friday ne Wednesday we no mo ne bafu polo en kasa packages ne doso duro bi abasa wo pam enso ema bia na bafu polo enso be pam ne simple ewa bro you see African print e de dijuma no enso e de ama laptops and in down and no e follow and bafu classics enti bafu classics enso no your laptops and in down just a tra ewom and a face shorts enso kan kaftan enso oju simple say uyo bi na e bia wo wan kasa design abetimi de akwa komano na wono nso pam e de show kama ba bia be ko bia and the program awokwa se bia no bafu polo e ma won so wadam sunko o se yen koso na en kancho so da so e pejuma phone to oyo ba oye bema woni ma depama hwehwe na kira kwan enso e wa henema kokoben of Santase oboase e kwan ne so number ne 0249 600789 Bafu Polo and no Bekasa Express Group SA. Woman do 2 quantity nurses and midwives na. Momba some 2 kwam no kwato am dwumadi so no. Womo boa amwaju visa processing and a ban say be ticketing and sensem nyina no. Womo so ebehwa am say ye Canada, US, Australia, New Zealand, UK and as Germany and abeso kwa Express Group ebebo school for no more office ewom a chese we nyina no aye scholarship asem and ye kan encry our Kaneshi first light on my pay and after Kumasia Asafule Baranabout and a Doom Railway a police station and when I'm ho Fre Express Group I was 0249 000448 make out a cloud internet and some more internet and what you see nyumum and fear and kwanbe internet area suade say be offices awodo and the companies and the schools amu here be ICT center afemu so amu here be just near can say I am cafe nyina no money cloud internet and so and kasa Wi-Fi ewom internet and so no she and I just a bonus so that from kama ye installing CCTV ye more digital security locks afi make out and yeah, can I say, we will be also be so Wi-Fi no hotspot and after near Bono as a da from Kamanino, a cloud internet, our tech, a kind so top high. Or there was a top high, catch a driving, so we see our top high, and yeah, number no, I 0202 6991
1-0 na chasa onim panifono and kasa Boris Beef chicken aya kukonam anwo ton makacho say aya halal obenya full chicken ewom akukọ no part bia wo pebia no obenya bi enso atontimo mo besa mo ye nuane wo fie mo nso mo ye restaurant and choba mo ye fast food and chasa mo nso a mo besa mo je amanfo all the survey ewa yeni program sa do no nyina say akukonam de aya halal and I was woto enom aya Boris Beef chicken obekọ Bantama High Street on the Presby sorry edi and Shepoku trading our doom and a swans market in Sumenyabi and so ato 0544444453 now Boris Beef chicken and so enjoy so yene Qualitac dental clinic and penny for and casa penny now BBI find it.
Adum ninti BBI fine.
Oh, okay, nice. Now Juma so koso said was a koso na.
Koso kama.
That's right. And also the fine.
The edi kan me den chia kese free Qualitac.
Sompa sport.
Ashefo any etifu nyina. Na no ye hyasia na ye hyasia free. Asisi na de ya hu ne say nipa bebre no ignorant say utimi se usen. Nti no say ye ba kasefide no so a ye pese obi aya we say so usini tu a na say that's one sign ubetimi ayeden asa esibiu. Na Qualitac edin fidie a ebro so aba a yetimi de si chese sibi apese osibi ebesi ama won sa wo pay implant sa wo pay de yiji de yenyi ni nyina etimi si ma won eti sa wo se no se tu se wo dodom se wo anim no o enya hwe yebetimi si ama kama na wo ba ye nhihye bebre ni aye ye results bebre so wa na hwesa hoden wo cinema betimi si a na ye si ama won ti se wo se atu a o awo so wonya rehemu ya rehemu se betimi si ama won obu ono ma dodom se no omo hu se wo no de osra e ma bontinti no ehu hia se obesi by no with time no e ma wo se no ho no bugum kakra tu show bi hwe wanim din a hu sa se ho no echia kakra ti e be hwe se dodom si o se ye wanim si o bra Qualitac dental clinic na yenye de yen hwe ma wo yen che ho no ni e kọ kaka de friend kaka no so hwe ye tradition ni mu a kamia ye say so obi sorry no or the nsaso na pantan na e pa che say ene wanya kaka no dabi kaka ne de tokronya beda osimu a kaka na no wow tokronya beda osimu kaka the moment fonyini bi am pese ye the two screen so
okay the moment abon se tokura ba osinimo no kaka se kaka ne na
na asase just say enya nduru ba bi a ebe mana ya oya no eti se e o ba bi eduru a na ma wo se femfem kakra eti ni e ka esisi asem no se wo se ba akutu a yetimi replace ma say ye mienu say ye miensa utimi echusu ni awope so ope de yiyi o so ope de yenyi o so ope implant so yetimi sima o ti we asisie no ba akono no e na obi a ne color wo de ba wiase ye wo fidie o ho a ye de hwe color wo se no eye asane ye de akoye se na brewo ti se hye wo obi hu se wasi usin acho ye nkomfo ni ba akono ti se we so ye asisie na bia on say ohwa na simienu ana eni honom
ase de
no mienu eni honti ase de no ye before no ana esro de no mra ye siama no senye eni be ka cho siama na be din say obi a oye onye eho adwuma no ebehu ha eti ye to aso bi wa na ye kọ se enka ewo nipa enum pampan ewo nipa enum oye obi a otwitwi osiwie ya na wo tese pampan ewo wonum a enye bibia ye kwa awasa oba na ye hwehwehwe ye woniama bibrema pampan bo onum obu otimi nom saa afi be kaka no nanum etire dry pa dabi awasa oba Qualitac dental clinic ye woniama bibrema di emawa ye yemawa ebema pampan ni na afi onum obu apampan ntimi nkoni pam tibohu no nkon na mankonam ye be so oba Qualitac dental clinic ye products bibre so e de mawa ye 99 assurance 99% assurance say halitosis no anase enka na wo wonum no ebe jai ana ebe free honom yen to aso bio a picture ba ko na ebe to so no se obi a ose eso abu se ose so abu ana tokro da osim no oba ye betima fela ma
obu wonu ma na sini bu wonum se no ano no
o dabi nye no ano no dabi oba ye betima fela ma ana sene asisie ne ye hu kala no edisi no saa na fela no so ye wo kala ye de hwe ne ye da fela ma se obi a oye hu adwuma mpokra no anhwe ni ya ohu so ya de wa fele wo se no so wo hwe ne sikala na sɛ wonye obi a wona afele ma na wona yɛ hu adwuma na unhu sɛ yafele ama no eti enidaso wom yɛsɛ sɛ ɔseso abu anase toko da asima obeba ne afele ama entwen ma ne nkɔ akyiransa yɛ obabi edura wontimi mfele gise wo yi free honom ti quality say sɛ wo seso bu anase wonya se problem a yɛbɛso sɛ obɛyɛ ne tententententem na ɔba quality dental clinic na ɔba ne ayɛ den yɛsia ma wana yafele ama yɛtoa so bi obi otwitwi ne sia mogya enye fin na abɛhyehyɛ wo sene ntem ɛno nti na ma wotwitwi sia na mogya eba no ti quality say bra na yɛn huhu fin ni na efiri hɔ ma wo bra na yɛn huhu efin ni na efiri hɔ no ma no se fin na ɛwɔ hɔ cha yɛ over time no etimi ma wo sene ɛwo so kakra ana sa de pampan so ba wonum
wow
nti ɛbɛhyɛ sɛ ɔbɛba na yɛ den ya hoho ama wo yɛ tra kwan ne yɛ patasi ketri amagima building no adjacent Vegas no
that's right
new Shell filling station the hwa na yewo oba wase coupon so a government road no enchen hwa na yewo government road no kwan na yenya yira kwan kra oba dunkwa no fen so a NIB road na hwa na yewo ni dunkwa de no hwa na yewo your numbers ni ye 0538 25 00 78 0538 25 00 78 0545 90 68 88 0545 90 68 88 na de me di twa to kra e obi an se enhihye ye free ne nkra brem eno no oba ye wo options bebre de be ma wo ye betimi aye braces ama wo ye betimi aye Invisalign ti the desk screen so no ye braces no and braces so your fashion one hono man no ye the ball life keke
as e bia be so de ye one
ye 1 to 1 to be the ball life keke e ba senefe na ye woni ama bibra ye itima wo se no ye fe pa
to ni de mo hyema ni pa na obetimi de adidi aye bibia
obetimi de aye bibia
e be brush so nyina
bibia obeso de bi obetimi de aye
te period a edru a no no wankasa aba na mo yi
ye wo baby edru a na se na correct awie no and this I be ye free hono
okay
na say one maintain that baby a wodru no eno na normal occlusion no
Qualitac Dental Clinic asame mochi akwani bi na yensi numbers
oba patase o ketchi amagima building no adjacent Vegas no eno patase de no so oba wasa coupon so a your government road no government hospital road no e hwa na ye wo and oba dunkon no fen so a your NIB road no. Your numbers no so 0538 25 00 78 0538 25 00 78 and 0545 90 68 88 0545 90 6888.
Okay, you better see. Yes, Qualitac Dental Clinic. And so employing for and on what you say or say friend number in the call na fe wo problem bia oralia wa kwana fe doctors no and so it me asho kama yes yenko ye commercial no and bra quick yen che cry ba na bu e dia ba berem e wo fie ye ba.
Hey, Sewa, me who watch you. Me na no me bisa e cry so kwa brochu.
Kwaku, afei na mebeko. Me nkrata kra ni.
Hey, eni me ma connection man for den kofo sika adwane ne wanya otwe didi musa no.
Oh, Express Group adarmenti akwanti wire for. Opese otu kwan kosua de a Express Group do be call mind me to say Canada, US, Australia, UK, and Germany. Say e to ana se visiting so a Express Group do be call Dubai, Canada, US, Australia, and Germany. Mo am pese mo tu kwan koye adwuma nso obetimi de wako Dubai, Qatar, and South Korea. If you also want to take international tests like SAT, IELTS, TOEFL, GRE, GMAT, they can help you pass easily. They can also help you secure secure a good job in the UK. You should mention a crime of Kumasi as a labor runabout where Accra so Omo Carnation First Light, Tama Omo Community 18 Lashabi Girl Filling Station. From Moa Macho for ISO 055 555 0067 and 0249 000448.
The ones that now from toothbrush no. Why you toothbrush no? Ninya Ashford.
Nah, Ninya Ashford dear. Not so evident no way.
Who that the evidence bang? And then Ninya Ashford toothbrush.
Oh, sweetheart. Ashford toothbrushes no. You want different types. She abena de ya moku hu. Ashford Princess. And now bra could you dear so Ashford Galaxy. What dear na ira no so Ashford Evident. Media so Ashford Executive. And now media no so Ashford Friendly.
Without Ashford toothbrush
my dear, Ashford toothbrushes are who do dear. Papa, moto. Ne to me brow dodomi ye dani bia akwashishaho. Ashford Prince, Ashford Princess, Ashford Friendly, Ashford Evident, Ashford Executive, ne Ashford Galaxy toothbrushes. Fibo Ventures na kofabe daso. To phone friend 0241 545 646 and 0200 600 934. Ashford toothbrushes. They were Suhuni.
Mamisha, time HH Heba Mr. Bina Unumi, and ya what dropa, a ya draw, a ya draw say, a manipedian quamwano, and ya wadding, na a quotia yarie, and chain yare and san wakakoto, fire word draw, nan nominal abribia, Canoga Company Limited. What the time TIME ebe jasono wonnoa and at the time HH Heba Mr. Edia bejaso akra wenyenyan fisia dumienu enumbi wo pemfo ene oba wo makra nufuo enso enumbi time HH Heba Mr. Who benya bi over the counter medicine sellers any shop dodo na mu so pedodo to afre 0244 417669 0244 417669 time HH Heba Mr. Yedro say FDA agye edwadien kratoe atum.
Rise and shine with Yas toothpaste and Yas toothbrush. Start today off right by grabbing your Yas toothbrush and squeeze a refreshing dab of Yas toothpaste on it. With its soft bristles, the Yas toothbrush gently cleans your teeth and gums, giving you a comfortable brushing experience. As you brush, feel the powerful formula of Yas toothpaste working its magic, removing every stain in the cavity and leaving your teeth sparkling and fresh. Plus, Yas toothpaste helps make your teeth whiter and protect your gums, keeping them healthy and strong. Choose from our 3 variant toothpaste: Total Care, Herbal, and Winehead. Make Yas toothpaste and Yas toothbrush a part of your morning routine and start your day with a confident smile. Yas toothpaste and toothbrush, caring brand for caring families.
Mama kwa baba gentleman dental clinic yeduma dia yedia ne say yebesiesie wosen na yabo wosen ho ban ama wonum enso ati anase wosen animonyam so afa ntuma pa efi wo fixed one no anase ayeta frɛ no permanent one no eno nso so yesi a untimi entu dim eno ene frɛ no PFM bridge anase PFM crown afei yesan eye cleaning services oba ye profession no mu na ye frɛ no scaling and polishing se ebia enema bi ahyehyehye esen no mu se bi wo kasa etimi mapampan ene ade ebamu no oba gentleman dental ye ni nyina bi ewo ho gentleman dental clinic ye wo Koforidua Central Police Station enchen ho na wodru enkan so a ye wo nungwa na atomic down do me kwa benya runabout no so ho na wodru takwade pipe ano traffic light na ewo pipe ano ho ye ni OGN bank na wo the same premises na kachiman so ye wo magazine market kwan no so ho anase opposite AY Ahmed na wodru Kumasi Abrepo Junction Total Filling Station wa traffic light na anihwe G runabout no free Total Filling Station na yabron sign na edi ho ye adwuma free eda juada kopem eda memeda wetimi afre ya homa no e wo 055 913 9582
Abusaka kraka bi wo hanu meja tom na rewu sebe wo mini se abofra keto wanya 2 years akadai ba ku nti African Spider-Man bla me abofra keto yi mo na nipa ho hia dede bi ko so anu ti ka me ho ni ko hede wo mbia African Spider-Man ba be sebo abofra ba prekope ni hu African Jack wo ba be sebo abofra na wo secret kura no anything
Imboost herbal mixture. And only me secret. Na me yet no ma keka e wo form. Ana police me di one dance say menye na me nson hwe. Na me so we no. A boosting immune system. Ama say me train na me nte bre. Me timi di kama. Ama we kan wodum so ekoso. Me kura so me dai yale. Ama my latitude me nya baako. Eyeje ne koso ho. Hey, Spider-Man, what are you going?
Who for me kurachi?
Ubenya Imboost herbal mixture. Our pharmacy and answer herbal shops. Apim for any kola umundi if you do me no. Enom FDA agigede nkatwe at
712
Here is to the friends who took the chance with no regrets. Investors no more hating fortune. To the health workers who diagnosed drugs every move. And then to the hard guy who couldn't hold his emotions. To the passionate fan who couldn't contain his joy. To the seamstress who turned her hand-earned stitches into a bundle of joy. And now, here is to you. Your next big win is right here. From 1st July 2024, dial star 712 hash. Tickets as a group, individual, to win in the community draw or the grand draw on the 30th of November 2024. Unlock your luck with star 712 hash.
Created by the NLA on the Caritas platform, not for persons below 18 years. TNCs apply.
If I shop, I'm not sure you'll buy you.
Bra, and not so good.
What time about me see about Queen Wayne say?
Bra, said your time about Miss Essia Jimmy fearful, and not your back ever so.
Really, I know this offering now.
Bra, some make us a maybe time about Miss Dancia. We are singing now about Temenka. It is some malaria. Where do any time about Miss?
I never go, dear, no more to want to me any deal. What do any time about Miss? A drink and your ma or bar waffle fruit. Dear, one mark for down for any aquada when you fear do me, and son of the time about Mr. Draven. She's a walk hospital and answer lab. I'm what who said, oh, a 3-day malaria be answer.
I also time me a TIME. Time about Miss. I feel malaria fever the other is Ziva, a woman. Even slap. Ubenya be at all, over the counter medicine sellers. Any herbal shop to do an FDA Aji a judging cratoi at all.
I know here. TV, fridge, freezer, air condition, gas cooker, washing machine, smartphone, sound system, water dispenser, microwave, blender, rice cooker, kettle, and iron. Seven Hisense smartphone no sukradia. Yeah, titi so more than a Hisense factory direct promo. It's in your madada noa. Emma light bill ekuno. Fasi baby, never jeffo. 19th August, I come 28th August. Mora Hisense showroom bia. Koso says factory direct promo way. 9 days per 80 first come best serve. Hisense everyday prices for everyday people.
Kind of way, tell you so the more money promo nabo.
Oh, be a pesika. Now, so dear party a pesika. Sika bebre. For who don't tell you more money promo. Then disika. Disika, no send disika bebre. For who chimubi. Aye free. Ni obey and say. Load credits and not data. Then ya kunya di 1 million Ghana cedis. Which sika pudu onakasa. Then biya na washubia. Ye be cheska. Na gonu kwaye ye no. Na ya 3 million Ghana cedis. And sinaho. Dali star 500 hash. And now send win call 500. And now for telecell play up no. So now for who chimubi. And for no do reload no. Now do who jina ye and what me disika wa telecell more money promo ni. Cause swallow di. Disika ye millionaire.
Telecell. Connecting energies.
It's a cycle crack down. Sandra told you any amount of Caritas lottery platform no so.
So wope wallpapers papa OP wallpapers and American for amount. So wope wallpapers at their decorative offices. So fee and sorry. Say ye paps ahodo. Baby bia unya wallpaper de do juma biano. OP wallpapers efro. Yama wallpapers ebe macho blind curtains. Eba bedside lamps and so OP MR types or mar shapes. Colors ahodo ni nyina. Ubenya bia to e wana so ye ho. Say OP LED backlight e de above flash screen e chia. And so OP ebe so selfie ring lights out do phone bishim a OP wallpapers and a bema selfie ring lights OP ewo Kumasi Adum first floor Nana Kwesi Agyeman building name Tafo GNTC building first floor ana chronom our barrier on the market na edianim hwe so open wholesale and also retail any OP any nsawo so free OP our 0540 353750
Dr. Wusu kan kama sem na obeka ne ha na me nana wonwun so mu ha o mechiremu a prostate problem Dr. Hwe no ema otimi dwonso e
oyiwa Dr. Sanso say yade bi ti say hepatitis B and C mechire brebum yade diabetes a eyensi chire yade pressure mechire mojabroso enam yade bia Dr. Tenete no mema sem entimi nkoyi empo so obema no ewu kra wo ba Dr. say for garlic ba ko pe ebra na obema wo ye bema asanso atde wo mpem say eya akoma yade ulcer, fibroid, kidney and liver problem. Oba unukunu apawa ansumu nyabie. Wana owo entini ni dompemu hawo. Minua no mema wo pese mo bema eya kese.
Enie minua kire me ba bia doctor so ewo.
Ye kumase atiase ebrem ahemfie ne soro ho a Daro Salam school no enchen pe.
Fred doctor tetefu yiso 0599 311 311. NAC Clinic, we bring your smile back to you.
Yes, Abu Edi Rem Ewofina ya for stories no real quick. And so Edi Efifinum, Mamen Fabaku in Tremnafi, Abu Emra, the tennis say, Jean's toothpaste and a Jean's toothbrush, and my catcher say, Yabo Modian so called a Jasona Kudija, Diakanaya, Pabi eto, Jean's toothpaste and then a brush no, Yedikandi at one say, you won't quadadi a woman pen for the account. Your prince, our princess, monarch, duke, your duchess, arches, and Inano, a rira sentem e prapra ho e ma hono enso nyoma ni nyina akika ka sentem ne fru se de be a wonum enso e be hwam kama Janse about toothpaste no e wo natural herbs e boa e ma brobia o brashe wutita e bo se no ho ban e ma mo no ntimi motokro e wo sinimu e ma gam no enso enya ho de mapa Jans whitening esa ma se no enso e bright na fa sama minty fresh breath a chese wo kasa nipa ho ampa wutumi se o kasa nipa ho ana Jans total care a bow Emma chese seno and manem pro a bow Emma chese bribia seno enya na ho den Emma chese sam boss no ban and o see a chinam ni nyina no and also a bon ban Emma bribia no makọ kama and so edema enya na e wadwaso ya bomodi anso be pebi and so atwa no aye Jans toothpaste and a Jans toothbrush no and aye kamfo e de ama Abu say bibia find here
over the nyame adom bibia aboko me gidi zo zo hapo
kakra divine intervention be dey
bitimiko
utimiko kwanda ho
alright ya bomode na ya to aso na afia fisem no etimi eramu kama pretimi era ma live on Sompa TV Sompa 93.1 na yeram na ye didi nkomode e sha CFF the Black Princess so masio mako akwa ramu Colombia mpatama ye hwese the FIFA 2024 Women's U20 Championship no ye betimi akoso na aboa na ne ma deda di pretimi era me na nra ye marra na kokotini trauma pum kakra na time a omo baba be show mu training na se no na hu sampa Nigeria ade a na no edin ye papa na se na feel no na isiete okay Anti ano ye de ne uru ani chema na cheze bo ma ne ma de da ye pa etimiere ma ye mario na omundi endu 20 years no to muzampa anije no wo ye pa mo reso mbeboa na oman Ghana ne ma ko ye pe da ma adwumadi no ne ma de da dia 31st August na chesa aka na be esimienu na e sha se na akwa ku 22nd September emu nkomo no Ghana ye first game no ye bebo no 2nd September your group E ye ni Austria and e bebo ni na afi second game no e be ramu feet September and also any Japan na debebo ni na fi final game no eram on the 8th September yani New Zealand man no na debebo ni a ni nyina mo yere se beboa na bibia deda din pa etimi ede amaye na store yegu atwene mu niama deda din na 12 p.m. pepe oro ni HM the Ghana Football Association Conference Center wa ana room wa na cheso na coach Otoado eba na wababe nemu squad a ye bomode na AFCON qualifier game ani ye ni Angola and afi Niger edebebo ani no wahwe na wedidi di nkomo no humrante a eba ba be jamaboa mane ma deda di impre timi era ma man Ghana unzi ebeba Angola ewo Kumasi Babara Sports Stadium after no na yede ani achemu nso ewo no for bibi na afi ani Niger man no edi akwa akobo ani na aboa mane ma deda di era mentini na coach bana wetimi ede ne squad na ba aba betudwane humrante ebeba aba be jama yejuma etimi edi ama man Ghana no so no anaro ani chemo Tunisia Club African e confirm yes bibi ade na kwamu ama Shokan Mohamed eni wa baba be join omo a oni omo e baba be yejuma na orekun omo fa so unveil na FA papa say no omo bo de ye no Etiano your confirmation the Club African Abomodin a confirm say Shokan Mohamed former captain Edema Accra Lions are joining on to 2027 no Obana Wababe Bridgemana Abwa Mania Makuye pre timi Edi Amane Kama Emun Common Rami Timi Edi Ama Yeramo referees na so enche na ye Bomodina Ghana Premier League no 2024-2025 season no etimi asha se referee Alex Cote Orwani Chema referee Spain pa no ane Odoma no Heboa Mania Makuye Pereme na komodi no ana pimpa ni nuanoma sempa fo di nkomade di kan no biza na ze ne Ghana em ze yen refisi koforo modwuma no mu di na bi kra tim gina be kaza akwa we oba be die tie wasa ne modomo ya de wo fom ye papa na on refisi integrity nse na pimpa no e bomode di nkomade fa
Premier League teams no and the president was bold in telling them say teams, in a he was bold in telling them that. It's integrity issue, and your referee, and yet clubs also actually they must also hold on to it. We keep telling the referees every year. We tell them, but as I say, Obian Pese Obeba Beka said, "Yeah, way yes, anything." They now Obia their shirt, then we now didn't know. The teams are not holding up to integrity issues. I don't think that these issues ever happen.
Etiano your command they were bombarding the atu ya jedampa referees no eba na edwuma mo ye ne niam na esi ko na ya na edu bi a class no se kan bi na mo edwuma no e kwa ache kakra izanze kukuku ni ja keka kabejai then na say bodu to referee oba bi du match no afre ni din komazi miki match ne de oba ya na wadini yo na obedi ni ye di a che di we emfama o e wo bibi so se be ma so ana oba ye che wade na wanje a na azo ya ehwehwe ni mu kakra ozo ye dwe me kaza o ne kaple ozo sa akwa akwakyerechero ho anti achede de chewa fancy na waje oje so sa so na ya na ayeze ya talk kakra because ze ni fancy wa mama de na me show ni ma sa ba bi de tiawo e be din kakra di kukuku ni jaya kika so be jaya club administrators no any omo ni teams no say o na sikana ba bibri na wache wi am players na bia kachi a na odi bia kobom pae ti unya sofu bia na de ama no na waye mpaibo bia ma na aboa ma wetimi anwe we after no or the message we ma Ghana fo nyina sanse season year and muzie league no emu be di papari teams no so mo sia arrangement ni mo de rema message say no de ma Ghana fo nyina
efie bia mensa o into no mean to be radio so promise it and there you be can say we will make sure that we yebema integrity issues na go very very high. We will make sure that the referees would hold on to integrity. We will make sure that everybody in refereeing and in football must hold on to integrity. That is the only way I bet you are solving your problems. Integrity needs more from all of us. Of course, once again, can we do? Because when the referee is going for the match, let's go to any referees committee member anyhow. We are going to spend about 60,000 Ghana cedis. It is the effort that is paying free of charge. The referee who they are move back. Just come and learn and go back. So why should you not be able to put up your performance at the time you need?
Tia no yen command wa bomode ni atu ya bianka na command to ni omehwe na seri si peno no akọ kama pera me referee pin perfect escort na also this an no the Ghana Football Association ano 30th ordinary congress na koso e wo pram na after no na commodity no executive council member pin perfect Randy Abbey na DDK bisano ze na bet power hon komo no sen ni sitie omo to akoso aboa aso ya sen ama ye league no ye timia ne omo din sa oso na be last year ze du baby no omo twa omo kakra na ze kuju konsu gina kwentia na ze lockroom bonus ni ade no omo twa be league no edu baby ni ye omo din afi so omo komo no sen sitie sen na pimpa no bomo de chemu
they are yet to honor, so the contract is ended. There are outstanding issues from the previous one we've been engaging, and so there are things that we need to sort out, plus our quest to move forward. So these are things that we are still discussing, and we're hoping that we will be able to sort them out as soon as possible. We have about 2 or 3 scenarios that we're looking at.
And I know you're commodity 2 years last season on contract and a ban and we are now back community. A young common also Mohena or Moniomudi, Serebe Omerena, Abuana Bibia Dedina Nema, Akoye Pedam after only as yet Zindi TV rights on Sensem, yes, Star Times for Nino Muchami and Omachomo, I'm as GBC for crash, I seen him didn't come on pay, and also no crabby woman, seen and also Bomodiano.
I am not aware of anything with GBC. The only thing I'm aware of is GBC writing to the GFA requesting for rights to run radio commentary. That is the only thing I'm aware about GBC. Anything else I read on the internet is the only place I find it.
Until no year command a pimpana bomb India to Yaja crap towns the GBC the Abane so mope radio commentary no ha they are na I have my Kataku oh na we are born we pia the ama we pia so the ama we pia no ano e no ma twa the aba na the actually can be I want in time video no so a e boa ma hye the man no I had to full kra mo Togo say I can pre-season on mo guso ane omo eye no na mo team a here from Semasi ye de bo ani na ba na we na asabo mo miensa amomo atimu ba ko asamo abo na free and I feel kwamra boatin and I feel so no urwani echima na jesa Isaac Camponsa and also folk their fans is all players need necessary
on pitch now on boss ball no so on pitch na has boss ball Togo no
uze bibi
also mucha efe
bia green uza efe pa but also players need necessary professors pa or we pana professor Samuel Boatin free professor Kwamra Boatin Professor Isaac Camponsa. Dumuza de nya de keto akra but omobo mo miensa e boa ma ne ma de da din pere mo Innocent Ajuafa na efisuere ma boboko no na wa ma ya update as at no hard to folk said na ne ma esie ko mo pra mo fi camp no say na ni Innocent Ajuafa e bo mo de timere update na mai.
My name is Innocent Ajuafa and I am the team physio. In my last conversation I made mention of 3 players who have had to leave camp in Togo back to Accra due to medical reasons. One of them, Gideon Asante Yeboah, has yesterday returned to camp after successfully completing the last phase of his medicals. The doctors have cleared him and declared him fit to partake in every training activity. We are monitoring the rest of the other 2 players, Michael Ampedu and Aziz Nuruddin, as and when they are ready medically. They shall be also joining the team back in camp. Yesterday in the evening, Sharif Shoaib, one of our hardworking goalkeepers, sustained an injury which came as an accident. He had been taken to the hospital yesterday by the medical team for immediate attention. At the hospital, the doctors and the nurses attended to him and got him discharged yesterday. He shall be out of training for a few days, whilst being monitored closely by the medical team.
Eltiano yen command Innocent Ajuafa abo modere atu ya anti shoa even as we pra amane access ne ne ade abara miensa na ekofie no Nuruddin Abdulaziz Nakamura and afi Michael Ampedu and Gideon Asante Dino di asen aba after so mo clear no aba be join the team no Togo team enu ne di ho mo hwe na o ma hwe mo afanze be den 7 pem na mo Wisdom Fernando Basi Nigerian and they were joining Krobia Kumasi Asante Koroko. We did 22 years. Now Wisdom ba wa ba ni juma no ba be ne nya agro no be di ni kroma. era na ye bisa na say dey na fans na expecting fefi no ozo no niema no no do no a echeche na semu na tinsema ne oka the chair fans no ahead of season na eba be chance no
supposed to expect much more from me because I'm a player who have the speed. I know how to score goals. I know how to make the fans happy. So that's what they should expect. Now I may set finishes on Mbappe. That's my kind of style of play.
No. Wisdom Fernando Bassi, aka Vinicius. I don't know the ball near Mbappe.
Okay.
As I would imagine Vinicius Mbappe boy at Tabo. Defenders
because what James not the left and I Vinicius there no. Oh yes, they are not the right, and that's why Mbappe there no.
Sompa sport.
Very dangerous. Face. Oh, dangerous.
Whoa, Mate, me da say na Nak Herbal Clinic. I doctor Usu can come the blood group doctor. I don't know. I was say oh you bema why you sexual weakness when you're gonorrhea and syphilis. I know I STI ya debia when you biana brana on to us yamau. Say oh you bema the prostate enlargement, hepatitis B, and C, or diabetes, or pressure, so liver no kidney. Aya jumaye, or bow fibroid, and I say bosume so a yan wa ya say ya yan kwa na wote awode no aye Nak Herbal Clinic and I say oko afi a won nsem ni nyina no hwehwe na kira kwan enso e wa chiase abrem aye 0599311311 na chese doctor enso enyo so more money promo no enso aye telecell koso na to airtime koso na your bundle go first broadband ne so and also mobile phone ne so afei koso na reload na first kato o telecell aye network and say account ni mo the more na wo ye ni nyina no na wotwe bia obenya ska 30,000 Ghana cedis ebetimi aye odia and afei me ka say 1 million Ghana cedis eno aye grand prize a chese daswa ebetimi I audience to Cosnene, a telecell, and Perifonos and Shimuma, Nina say, Ober dial star 500 hash, Ober follow prompt, and I say, Ober send a win, and they call 500 Elsonafi, also qualify in Bustaba channel, and your police ni a draw way, a drama catch or say, a boost immune system, a brow, a match system, no, as a Juma come a fight, edit, ya dear Bia, a say, a do Yana Babet on the Pedremo, main train yare and san wakwa police ni edro ebi enso atoanom nemom wo yare o onyare o otiminum bi abeboa ama chese system no enso ebe function ye ye bie Imboost pharmacy e wholesale enko a enti se bia brofudro anasa bibi dro bia watene din a wo pa bia tu akwakogu wo shop bia no bra Imboost pharmacy enso awo kodie ofren so ekwan ne so 0246 208496 na just say when the Imboost pharmacy empire for and so enkasa Mike
Fancy still on a development from the FA president ne sessional address over the 30th ordinary congress and in sema okaye osandra shen komonasi din komofa how he clamored for support for football clubs and even more Africa. And I started a conversation on that in the sense that here say you started treating football clubs as businesses who contribute to the economy. And as I know, it was centered more on football for no any buying. But today I want to single out one, and if time permits me, the other one you see. How you carry yourself is very important in how people treat you or how people relate to you. There's a senior way on, and there's senior obo abrabono. And when a betre kwaya yabefaswa nipa ana asume sibi and no be sign. So if you carry yourself cheaply, you'll be treated in that manner, and you will not be able to accord the necessary respect now. And our expect is ubenya. And the same applies to your football industry and then for the football clubs. I think that time without number, yabaha ya can't send baby. Say and the game nasisa. So if we are looking for several investment from various corners. Say embe right game ni mua. It is also about how your clubs nebe position omo, how they structure themselves in a proper manner. Send ebe attractive. Me want to make what you say. Before say insect be baka ko see flowers no. The flower should attract that insect by the color, by what it has to offer. Yeah. So attraction no, there should be something a magnet a draw investor no deneba. Sabe, nobody will love to throw money on something any value and not any significance be at the mano. So it's about our clubs. One, samo pe aban emwa. Kwambe na mesie mo ho de afa. And I look up to this and I mention Galka. For instance, Andra mebetna no. Mebo SMEs. That is okay, and they friend MSMEs into micro, small, and medium enterprises. When ye in Kwonkro, in Numekuo, in Kitinkitia, or more ewo Ghana, but they have been unionized under one umbrella. Ne say omab kabo mabaye ekuba tanya eye bakope omoda eye anase omoshasiye. In this case, these MSMEs no, they come under the Ghana Enterprises Agency, which was created as a result of an act of parliament. Ghana here Gauka, which is a Ghana League Clubs Association, which encompasses Premier League clubs, Division 1 League clubs, and they almost the mano and subabe count. So GACA as the body represents the interest of the clubs. Good. Sadia, can we look at restructuring GACA to the state where GACA need to meet and they're able to whip the clubs in line? So GACA needs to mean then we go to the FA. FA no the share the aba courtesy CAF and FIFA, where there's a club licensing. And I was seeing nya kwine bia ye betnet ne ye clubs no opposition omuye. And that's what the DEA does with these SMEs. And GA no one share wo and your fund ye operate to tap into the fund as a member of the GA and as an MSME no. What you need to do A B C D. So when to me and she would you make and yes say when to me and yes say when to me and yes say now won't fall within the criteria laid down now. Unyasa fund no process nibi. Unyasa a unibi fanko. I think in the same manner, let's do same with our clubs. Rather than the blanket way of Sikaya available in Chama club will be a debit. If you do that, some of these clubs will take the monies and not use it for proper use. And it says, "Sikabi free a buying waba." Memi wajidi say e was in Shishaya da home. Says Sika ne boy 1 million Ghana cedi. Ye de Mac Club A. Sika ye de mauno for stadium construction and training ground and for player bonuses and allowances. Enti ye 2 din sana near the krata to one say ye this kind of man sa pepe na wo ye ya na. Yes. If we don't do that, these clubs have showed that send your musi your money bebre no. There are times operations ni biwa. It does not fall in conformity with the modern trends of football administration. So I agree there should be government support. I was say abani sika at the boy football no. But fancy send your yen to me ko sabi prekobuomu enko preach say white shirt is the best thing since a sliced bread. Sounds sooner yen to me first can konkoma football sports. Sika omo use the running football no. Omo fanfaso bi enfriso mbai. Yeah. There are clubs who are showing that even with little push they can do better. Even as a Samates and Swatreman, we have seen Accra Lions more. These are properly run clubs. There are also some clubs who tout themselves omo traditional clubs omo de omo ba ya che but and they no send your musi omo nyoma esinitrase as regards their fortunes. And tisika de mama Accra Lions or the bebo bra asesa nyoma no o de commercial club na obeside me pese mebo din na be create problem But there are a lot of traditional clubs who are now either languishing in the lower tiers or they are off the scene. Season I boy a training, a big crack or relegation. And they have two top teams in the Western region with rich history. They are nowhere to be found. I think about back to the Division 1. But if you ask yourself, say, how are these clubs being run? Because in the same Western region, one club showed up, won the Premier League, went to Africa, and played in the group stage just last season. And it is a year, dear. Me, I think, say, Anka Sikari, dear, Anka Yanya said, dear, awful dear pano, and a yen piano. And yes, a young Tuni in Engum because ye in a common day.
We grab a cast of Boca and to also trade the Tendeka.
Yes, that's right.
Find the also the years of investment, no money in waste.
It should be a sports fund sort of, and now football development fund be a ya created the tour, and you can access that fund. Now, your club now bet me access here. What you need to do, they say you need to apply. Apply per now they will know the account now the call. Ebane sana ebema clubs in any abrese and they so yanto to your nyoma ye se ne be ya ye betime nya aban sika ne bi na se ye ne se every year bia ne ye tua fans ye bi mu beji de dikosua ne moko o no kra me ka che e bi beji sika ne de dikosua ne moko
me se obi kra be ka so no na wa finance ya ba be do this level to send him for so ne ba dia I was what sika
so I don't think we need to give them the money directly. We need to make them earn the money. There is a difference in giving money and earning money.
Me ya to point na say because the moment e bia e be say no club we serious I say oye bibi no abem ye supported the obi ani be breso no so be
say na say who apply via say e bia who apply what draw e bia this year. This is the project a club we e bia club A ya person you running. Sa project no ebe cost e be 1 million Ghana cedis. Say ni de be na ya fa eye omo be quantify omo be ye we ya fa technicians omo be ye we nti omo nyina de omo budget de aba ya submit the account. Eno sa no enkrata o enye wano keke na de ko kan ana already who apply no so odo financial statement account ho enti season na etwem no. Say now modern bonus in terms of revenue generation. Say now modern bonus here in terms of club now or running on the operations. And to before so best submit we ni na no why your nyoma ye we siesie fie. Into 150 precon and timidas and one more crass so Debbie do you need to earn it. And I think it should also be a conversation and that if na come so say omo be cost what net in clubs mo my nyoma yi and then omo my serious because even in Morocco it is done. See a mouse card this year. Say fire we no one fine you will receive penalties and a penalties yet me final. Yet to me to a point or at times it can even mean expulsion or transfer ban.
Relegation
so we need to carefully study this. It should not be a blanket we need grants from government. No. It should be our clubs should earn it. I was almost sefata.
Na team Mr. Bodu
is Kenny Rim na emwa.
Vans bra.
Yo ba bia hana ye wono. Obia be ya di ya. Yese mre hye ne keten. Ye kuru hana ye wono. E din pass obi hu so be upright. Obia hwe no na no ye nyoma ye so.
Papa oba no eja ye bo.
Onye. Ndisa na sitie. Ba ye efe no kra no. Sa FIFA go project den na eba no say your criteria so meeting sana sa sika na ba nti esa sa na ye clubs no e bia wo miti we ya ye benya kakra say di amount de amount we na yesa wo de ye wan fa anya we na be ba next time so unsa anya bi ye clubs ne sa obetima enuma yi na se yetugum say ye ma obi asika ni bia na wo ka no wa invest ni club ni musa be si no de sika na ba o de beti ne ka so Abro fan ko club ni men na e be san ka be to efe no puno so biem. So I think say ena Mr. Bodu a chire mu no yem fa ne man to ho nyoma esesa wo ye club bia ye ne za yen clubs na be boa yen ya e be yi amanfo be brain so free street ne so because e be tia amanfo kaye to give room for amanfo so for players more and so media by in clubs no ne other jurisdictions e so be ye adwuma. So I think say e so mutim o ye sa adwuma ni ye na player na so ye Vinicius ne Mbappe no, sounds when you go share.
The confidence level was proper.
A player in 7 seasons watches 7 goals. Who's winning goals share?
How many seasons?
7 seasons. Watches 7 goals. Who's winning goals share?
Services is about one important.
7 seasons. Oh. O the upper check o call a year o call a flash score now search ya branch 7 seasons no was just 7 goals.
Can I play the devil's advocate?
O the again call
flash score is not accurate enough. Tell the actual number of goals. I want to believe Abranten was more goals than their flash score.
So call Nigeria your guy be friend Taiwo. I think so or trauma bia me diaba. Me busa no. Entino ni goals no so onim se no.
Busa ro say.
Abranten ni obi onim goals se de wo kan no.
Ba ha de obehye.
Otimi fa ball the ball ni be communica se de o de ball ni communica na 22 years here 7 seasons and was just 7 goals at the age of 22 nti ye ka se na usua and anyo opportunity ti na unya minute bebre mo eno wo ho ba se obagitum camera mu ka se onim goal sha o me yakofa we ni de aba because ka se onim goal sha we are expecting 77 appearances over the 7 seasons period no e bi o me be 50 something goals bia eno na tese onim goal sha now we got one goals and 7 goals per Nadiama. Goals and away.
I'm seeing Mbappe cry this season. She goal La Liga anymore. Only Vinicius.
On say Mfanto Hunti. The bia near baby one. Mfanto Hunti. The bia near Jinaha. A Branton shown him goals to say. Ya dear to but ne statistics no. Today
your man that benefit of doubt and say young train
man is idea no. Nkayen kasao.
Verse ye start season. Ebia day 1.2. Day 2 akwhye baako bia
banzi e na meka senke yen ka hwe o bo no adia tuntu onim go hye so wati o so onim go hye o me ho na me hwe o
mo de go monga ba no
o so onim go hye
monga Ivan Sadomako
amfa e fa o kawela ndi no ye he no o mo ye signings no and the we anoma go say na so ye expect blasters I know e call up no ndi no.
Oh, okay. Well, maybe I'm a family course no shark for any mommy. But Kulun Ghana Limited, Araba Bazen tablet. I am Medro Tatashe or your barber Modian so with PB and so anum. Ebe Boama Mojana dear Fusane Kama menstrual pains, ebe call menstrual disorders, ebe Jana feel about de Ewompem, Anna Beman so drew a Mr. Kill, and no sexual weakness. Why am Ewompem, Usisim Ayo ya Debbie Amao to dream uncle, and after Beman so a premature ejaculation. What a boss so I know about the same kwa what the Mr. Kill and I feel so ball prostate and buy say o Johnso what yaw and what you Johnso bemem show ama bema no kra ho aye bibia ho and ho nya fe nyo nya kono over say ho ye shem a drone aye hunchu capsules no and so anybody wakagina mu pebito e pharmaceutical shop and herbal shop bia mu number is 0244 5429. Now what you the for call say 0551 931 931 0548 931 931. Yemfa course and then I no pay I will show no so. Hello caller. Yes, Penny, yes you. Okay.
Oh, dear Okasa the being crowded 1 hour.
Varas.
Yes, Fanta Bona Betty Mammy. And some now coming in and I said, the penny yes, pay and penny for Ghana football in Goye. Or more Ghana on a now, the yam things one of the year to my mama basso sports, yeah, Chacha no so be a big god macra when he man.
Oh, I see. Hello, caller. Hello. Oh. That's what they say. Wow. Hello, caller.
Hello, God.
Yes, sir, Penny. It's you.
I'm in town. I beg your phone. I keep saying another thing. You can't support and make nothing about the bed. We do everybody. So good. I have a talent to be not my mentor.
Why?
God, one. I got to say, that's it. God, the guy, Mestrano. 1 second, African Senator, or Master, some sense of scorers, you know.
Okay.
I can know that
Mate, you okay. Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, sir. We didn't be able to free.
Oh, because I feel was that was sitting my family. My fancy was a Ghana. I was a power.
There,
Ghana, you know, was a power Ghana.
Oh, what a
Togo pitch on my balls. Togo. Pitch at Togo balls. Pitch. Oh, Ghana, you do for one was a power. And I'm a round. Togo, I when Algeria, Togo, Charlie was here for papa.
Mate, hello. Yes, sir. Solo, it's you. Okay. Hey, one come home be more network. Hello. Major, so it's you.
What can I say?
Adam. Okay.
A black star for ball, but over 1 million.
I will list my band. Why? Okay. Early next month, yeah, Bob. Hello, caller. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Good morning.
Good morning.
Maybe I told Dini baby I can say free.
Auntie near Sompa.
Opening.
Yes, I'm Foster. Wait, I'm work. I'm not with the.
Oh, okay. Okay. Matty, it's you.
Auntie, you do it yet. But I will near my power. You see, did you ever persuade you?
That's it.
Now, black not say black. We didn't do. Pep Guardiola ball 11 seasons or 11 goals. So therefore 7 seasons. No, I say what about 3 seasons? Another 7 seasons. No, I say 7 goals. I say my Pep Guardiola ball 11 seasons or 11 goals.
Okay.
Here the Ethiopia.
Okay. Hello, caller.
Yes, sir.
Maybe I show you first. So I say free. Adam, it's you.
Robert. I'm not a coaching class. Let me tell you what I said to me. I love what you say to me. Now, Saudi account.
Jose.
What do you account?
Sir.
I'm going to go back some panel. I was going to see a political out here and I was going to call your party now. What was that show before?
The national service.
Oh, David, oh, yeah, service. Yes, no. This fellow here,
yeah, national service. Yeah, Kawasam Yentie. Oh,
and
am I in PI national service with PI?
I don't put you on why am I? Yes, okay. That can be Kenya. Oh, yeah, brother. You know, if you are doing my air part, and the one person has to play piano, and to me, yes, Catalegra. After press piano, about Yama, after Legano, like in a channel, Bibia, and the national Kuyame, Medasi.
Oh, yes, I say, young fan nest. Hello, caller.
Yeah, hello.
Maybe I show you first. So I say free.
Thank you.
Solo, it's you.
Yeah, and I pray you, let's hear some of what do. Now, my chief, so one thing is saying, that and the corner, the Cadova kind of. Once I think I'm a player, and so a player, I went to a player for the past 7 seasons. Now, 7 goals in our shot. That means after our better player, and a good shot after them. After I said, I play no time about developing, you know. And Jabaya, but continue, the Cadova air cano, more than some more attacking in our canning. About 5 players, 7 seasons, I said 7 goals. That means 1 goal per season, no. You never have got a nothing. I almost have one. I pay no matter developing player. It's almost I show you.
Mate, I say, hello.
Yes,
hello. Hello. Whoa, hello. Good morning, opening it you.
Because
Hello, caller.
Half the
Sound.
I pretty much number.
I mean, son. 3-1. Oh, okay. Mate. Yen fancy na yen sorry so. Mubogum kashala. Wo shara yen ante. Can happy birthday to Kelvin Kwabena Riafe and Lisbeth Echan Solo. Kelvin and no one hard guy. Oh mama say one madam ne baby. Omunina say ya wish you happy birthday. Mzene DM say kadie. Me dibi pa. Once again happy birthday going out to you guys. Afi happy birthday to Mrs. Portia Dankwa. We a nurse e Tafo Maternity Hospital Ura. CK and I say yeah we show I would have say and the toughen one own seal from cry and to Paul and I would have CK say yeah we show I would have happy birthday going out to Patasco from Unia Bema Big Star DJ Patasco and I would have Big Star and I say always show I would have happy birthday to James Aseda AJ Bafo of Jonso Project School Jamasi from Portia. I don't know what gonna and say yeah show I would appoint James and your birthday happy birthday and so call Amaya yes sorry so news and by call I am woman chance okay to rank and mame at that from our trader and then on the 8th of